Salts are nothing but substances formed after the reaction of acids and bases. Well, acids are acidic and bases are basic. But what about salts? Are they neutral? Not always. Not all salts have pH of 7. Only neutral salts have a pH of 7. Yes, salts like sodium chloride, sodium sulfate and potassium sulfate are neutral salts with a pH of 7. Apart from neutral salts, we have acidic and basic ones too. How do we understand these three categories of salts? It's actually very simple. We know that an acid and a base react to give us a salt. We also know that within acids, there are strong acids and weak acids. And within bases, there are strong bases and weak bases. Strong acids react with strong bases to give us salts which are neutral in nature. Let me give you an example. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid and sodium hydroxide is a strong base. They react to give us sodium chloride, which is a neutral salt. Another example would be sodium hydroxide reacting with sulfuric acid to give us sodium sulfate. This is a neutral salt too. Now let me ask you a question. What will we get when a strong acid reacts with a weak base? Can you guess? Yes, we will get an acidic salt which has a pH less than 7. When hydrochloric acid reacts with ammonium hydroxide, we get ammonium chloride which is an acidic salt. The strength of the strong acid overpowers the strength of the weaker base to give a salt a more acidic touch. Yes, the base is unable to fully neutralize the acid and hence the salt form is acidic in nature. And with this knowledge, you can surely tell me the result when a weak acid reacts with a strong base. Yes, what we would get is a basic salt which has a pH of more than 7. When carbonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, we get sodium carbonate, which is a basic salt. The acid in this case is unable to fully neutralize the base, resulting in a basic salt. And when an equally strong acid and base react with each other, they completely neutralize each other to give a neutral salt. So to quickly summarize, the pH value of neutral salt is almost equal to 7, the pH value of an acidic salt is less than 7, and the pH value of a basic salt is more than 7.